How do you cancel your Avast SecureLine VPN subscription on Android or iPhone? If you no longer want to use Avast SecureLine VPN on your Android or iOS device, you need to cancel your subscription via the Google Play Store or the App Store. Your subscription is not automatically cancelled when you uninstall the app from your device. Important, even if you are still in a free trial period, you need to cancel your subscription via the Google Play Store or the App Store, otherwise you will be charged for the subscription when the free trial period ends. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. 2. Tap menu in the top left corner, then select subscriptions. 3. Select Avast SecureLine VPN from your list of subscriptions. 4. Tap cancel subscription, then follow the on-screen instructions. 5. The Google Play Store confirms that the subscription is cancelled. Your subscription will stop at the end of the current billing cycle.